Welcome. Today we're diving into the Scaled Agile Framework, also known as SAFe. SAFe is essentially a framework designed to help large organizations implement agile practices at an enterprise scale. It provides a structured approach to scaling agile beyond individual teams, ensuring alignment and collaboration across the entire organization. Here is a visual representation of the SAFe framework, illustrating its layered approach from team to enterprise. SAFe is built upon four core values that guide its principles and practices. First, alignment, which means synchronizing strategy and execution across all levels of the organization to achieve business agility and deliver value. Second is built-in quality, which is establishing quality at every step of the development process, not as an afterthought or separate activity. Third is transparency, creating an environment of trust where data is visible, problems are exposed, and decisions are made based on objective information. And lastly, program execution, which focuses on delivering working solutions that provide business value and meet customer needs in the shortest sustainable lead time. SAFe is guided by 10 Lean-Agile principles that inform its practices and mindset. These principles help organizations achieve agility at scale. The first principle is to take an economic view, delivering the best value and quality for people and society in the shortest sustainable lead time. The second principle is to apply systems thinking, optimizing the whole system, not just a component or part of the process. The third principle is to assume variability, preserving options and embracing variability with empirical feedback. The fourth principle is to build incrementally with fast, integrated learning cycles to reduce risk. The fifth principle is to base milestones on evaluation of working systems. The sixth principle is to visualize and limit work in process to reduce lead times and improve flow. Implementing SAFe in a large organization can be a complex undertaking. The SAFe implementation roadmap provides a sequence of steps to guide organizations through their transformation journey. The first step is to reach the tipping point, which means understanding the current problems and building a compelling vision for change. The second step is to train Lean-Agile change agents, equipping individuals with the knowledge and skills to drive the transformation. The third step is to train executives, managers, and leaders, ensuring they understand and support the new ways of working. The fourth step is to create a Lean-Agile center of excellence to guide and support the implementation. The fifth step is to identify value streams in Agile release trains or ARTs to organize around value delivery. The sixth step is to create an implementation plan, outlining the steps and timeline for rolling out SAFe across the organization. These initial steps lay the foundation for building enterprise agility. SAFe is structured around four configuration levels, each addressing different aspects of the enterprise. The first is the portfolio level, which aligns strategy with execution, organizes solution development around value flow, and governs technology investments. Next is the large solution level, which builds large-scale solutions requiring multiple Agile release trains and suppliers, but doesn't require portfolio-level considerations. Then the program level, which organizes Agile teams into an Agile release train ART to deliver value through program increments or PIs. Lastly is the team level, which incorporates Agile teams using Scrum, Kanban, and XP to build solutions that deliver value to customers. SAFe defines specific roles and responsibilities at each level to ensure effective coordination and delivery. At the program level, you'll find the Release Train Engineer or RTE, who is a servant leader and coach for the Agile Release Train ART. They facilitate program execution, remove impediments, manage risk, and drive continuous improvement. At the team level, the product owner defines stories and prioritizes the team backlog to streamline execution. They're the primary interface between customers, business owners, and the development team. Also at the team level, the Scrum Master coaches teams in Scrum, Kanban, and SAFe practices. They help remove impediments, facilitate team events, and foster an environment for high-performing teams. And at the program level, the product manager is responsible for the program backlog vision and execution. They work with product owners to deliver value through the art and represents customer needs to the team. The program increment, or PI, is a central concept in SAFe. It's essentially a fixed-length time box, typically 8 to 12 weeks, during which an agile release train or ART delivers value. The PI includes PI planning, where the ART aligns on objectives and priorities. It consists of iterations, which is a series of 2-week sprints where teams develop and deliver features. And lastly, innovation and planning iteration, an opportunity for innovation, exploration, and planning for the next PI. The key elements of the PI are vision, planning, execution, inspect, and adapt. The benefits of the PI includes alignment, cadence and synchronization, and predictable delivery. PI planning is a crucial event in SAFe, bringing together all members of an Agile release train or ART to align on a shared mission and plan the work for the upcoming program increment, or PI. PI planning typically spans 2 days, involving a structured agenda of activities. On day 1, activities include business context presentation, product or solution vision, architecture vision and development practices, and team breakouts for iteration planning. On day 2, activities include team plan reviews, management review and problem solving, planning adjustments, confidence vote and plan rework if needed, and PI objectives finalization. Key outcomes of PI planning includes committed PI objectives from each team, program board with dependencies identified, ROAM board for risks and impediments, shared understanding of vision and goals, iteration plans for all teams, and business value assigned to team PI objectives. Metrics are essential for measuring the effectiveness of a SAFe implementation and driving continuous improvement. Flow metrics measure the flow of business value through the system to identify bottlenecks and improve throughput. For example, flow velocity, which is the value delivered per time period, flow time, which is the time from start to completion, flow efficiency, which is the ratio of work time to wait time, and flow load, which is the amount of work in process in the system. Outcome metrics focus on the actual business results achieved rather than just output or activities completed. For example, customer satisfaction and net promoter score, employee engagement and satisfaction, time to market for new capabilities, and innovation rate in new product success. Predictability metrics measure the reliability and consistency of delivery to improve planning and forecasting. For example, Program Predictability Measure (PPM), Feature Completion Ratio, PI Objectives Achievement Percentage, and variance in estimates versus actuals. Technical health metrics evaluate the quality and sustainability of technical solutions to ensure long-term agility. For example, built-in quality metrics and defect density, technical debt measures release frequency and deployment time, and mean time to recover (MTTR). Implementing SAFe can present various challenges, but understanding these obstacles and focusing on key success factors can significantly improve the likelihood of a successful transformation. Common challenges include resistance to change from traditional management, difficulty in aligning multiple teams and departments, complexity of the framework and learning curve, time required for cultural transformation, and measuring return on investment, or ROI, and demonstrating value. Success factors include strong executive sponsorship and leadership, investment in training and coaching, clear vision and measurable objectives, incremental implementation approach, and cross-functional collaboration and communication. SAFe implementation is a journey, not a destination. Success comes from adapting the framework to your organization's unique context while staying true to Lean-Agile principles. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.